Good day. Today I'm doing a rear tire replacement on my 2004 Suzuki Hayabusa. So how do you tell if it needs to be changed? Well, there's a wear indicator on these tires. There's one there, and there's a specification for how far above the tread should be above this wear indicator. So you can see there it's just about flush. Definitely a tire needs to be replaced. I've got a Pilot Road 4 ready to go on this one. And of course always refer to the manufacturer's specifications and recommendations when you're doing these kind of things. I've got my service manual handy. Review the procedure for removal. What's critical here is safety. Safety first. I can't stress it enough. If you can't do it safely, don't do it at all. I've got a rear stand I've been using for a number of years. It works pretty good. And a couple things can mess you up here. If you get it on the stand and you find there isn't sufficient clearance here with the new tire, you're in trouble. So just to make sure, I've got the stand on these two boards and give an extra, half-inch clearance or so. I'm pretty sure it's going to be sufficient with this new tire, which has a rounded center, so it's going to be definitely higher than the old tire, which is worn. So we'll just undo that nut, back off the chain, push the wheel forward so you have slack on the chain, take the chain off the sprocket, rear sprocket, pull the axle out. That's all there is to it really. And I'm going to take this wheel with the new tire over to the dealer. They'll do it for a nominal fee. And that should be it. Good to go once I get it back together for another number of years. There you have it. Quick overview on how to do the rear wheel removal on a 2004 Suzuki Hayabusa for the purpose of replacing the tire. Thanks for watching.